Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Do you want to include music in your WhatsApp status but can't figure out how? In this video, I will show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. Let's go. Since WhatsApp doesn't natively support adding music to status updates, you need to employ a workaround. To do this, let's use other apps like Snapchat or video editors such as CapCut. First, create your desired status update, whether it's a photo or a video. For example, if you're on Snapchat, select the media you want to share. Tap the music icon and select the audio you want. After doing all the necessary customizations, save your edits to your camera roll and cancel the draft if necessary. Next, open WhatsApp. Go to the Updates tab. Start creating your status. Select the media you just prepared. Customize it further with text or stickers, and post the status when you're done. Now, your update will be enhanced with the background music you choose in your WhatsApp status. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.